Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're taking a closer look at a vehicle that represents a bold step forward for Mitsubishi, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome. Known for their reliability and rugged SUVs, Mitsubishi has now entered the motorhome market with a design that blends practicality, comfort, and modern technology into one impressive package. The 2026 motorhome is not just a travel companion, but a mobile home that promises to redefine how we think about road trips and long-distance adventures. Asterisk from the outside, the design immediately stands out. Mitsubishi has managed to strike a balance between functionality and style. The front fascia is bold and commanding, featuring a redesigned grille with chrome accents and Mitsubishi's signature dynamic shield design language. The LED headlights are slim and sharp, extending slightly into the fenders to give the vehicle a futuristic edge. The large, panoramic windshield offers excellent visibility for the driver and contributes to the motorhome's sleek silhouette. Along the sides, the extended wheelbase is proportionate and doesn't feel overly bulky, thanks to sculpted body lines that add a sense of movement even when the vehicle is parked. Practicality shines through with large sliding doors for easy entry, retractable steps, and integrated roof rails for extra storage. At the rear, the design is completed with modern wraparound taillights and a clean, aerodynamic finish that reduces drag and improves efficiency on the road. Asterisk stepping inside reveals a cabin that feels inviting, comfortable, and very well thought out. Mitsubishi has gone for a modern, minimalist approach while still ensuring practicality. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a digital cluster and a large infotainment display powered by Mitsubishi's latest connectivity system, offering navigation, entertainment, and voice control features. The ergonomic layout ensures that long drives are not only easier but also enjoyable. Asterisk the living area of the motorhome is where Mitsubishi truly impresses. The lounge comes with convertible leather seating that doubles as both a dining area and a resting space. The use of light-colored fabrics, soft-touch materials, and ambient LED lighting makes the interior feel spacious and airy. The kitchen is compact yet functional, with an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, microwave, and cleverly hidden storage cabinets to maximize every inch of space. Moving toward the back, you'll find the bedroom area equipped with a queen-sized bed, complete with a memory foam mattress, overhead storage, and reading lights. Large side windows bring in natural light during the day while blackout blinds ensure privacy at night. The bathroom is efficiently designed with a shower, sink, and toilet, all fitted with durable materials and modern finishes. Asterisk performance is another key highlight. The 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome comes with a hybrid powertrain, combining a 2.4-liter gasoline engine with electric motors to deliver a smooth yet powerful drive. The hybrid system ensures lower fuel consumption while still providing enough torque to handle steep climbs and long-distance journeys. Mitsubishi has also equipped the motorhome with their super all-wheel control system, making it capable of tackling not only highways but also light off-road conditions, perfect for adventurous travelers. Adaptive suspension enhances ride comfort, and regenerative braking helps improve efficiency. The driving experience is further enhanced with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a semi-autonomous highway driving mode. Asterisk when it comes to pricing, Mitsubishi aims to make luxury motorhome travel more accessible compared to some of the ultra-premium brands. The expected starting price is around $160,000, which positions it competitively in the mid-range luxury motorhome market. Higher trims with additional features and customizations may push the price closer to $200,000, but even at that range, it remains an appealing option for buyers looking for a mix of value, reliability, and modern features. Asterisk overall, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome is a strong debut in this segment.